Welcome to this feature focus video on pad folders. This feature is part of the Blueprint Automated Lifecycle and Control platform that helps you safely scale Power Automate Desktop in the enterprise. Specifically, it helps you understand all of your flows, govern them, and continuously improve them over time. And this specific feature of pad folders is useful across all of these pillars. Power Automate Desktop, or PAD, shows all of its flows in a single linear list. It does have tags to help you organize and group things, but there's still people who prefer to work with folders. Blueprint gives you the option to do just that. Here I am on the home screen in Blueprint. I click Flows to get the linear list of flows, comparable to what PAD provides, except with a lot more information in the columns. But I also have the option to see these flows in a folder hierarchy that I create. So here's my set of folders on the left-hand side. In this case, they're organized by departments in my company, but you can do whatever you like. And in the different folders, of course, we have flows. Some of them are blue and clickable. These are flows that have been imported and processed by Blueprint to provide a wealth of information about them. Others are black and not clickable. These are flows in Power Platform that have not been imported to Blueprint, but have just been added to this folder hierarchy so they can be grouped and managed along with the others. If I want to add one like that, I just hit Add Flows. I see all the flows in my environment. The one I want, I know, has 1152 in the name, and there it is. So I'd like to add that one to my folder hierarchy. Specifically, I want to add it to this reporting folder that I've been working in. But I could pick a different one. And there it is. For these added flows in Blueprint, various indicators will appear, giving me information about them. I can tag them in Blueprint if I want to. And as I said, they can be organized or grouped together with other flows into folders to help me manage. And at any point, if I would like to actually import that into Blueprint to get a lot more information about it, I could just select it and say Import. Gives me a couple of options. As part of the import, do you want to create a process diagram automatically? Do you want to scan for sensitive data? I'll say yes to both. And that kicks off a job to do the import with all the associated processing. And we can monitor that job here until it's complete. Now that the job's complete, let's return. And after refreshing, you can see it is now blue and clickable, meaning I can go to that flows record and see all the information that Blueprint has extracted about that particular flow as part of the import, including auto-generation of a process diagram and auto-generation of a structure diagram, so I can see how it is constructed, among many other things. So that's just a small amount of the value you get by actually importing into Blueprint. So for those who prefer to organize things by folder, Blueprint gives you the option of organizing all your pad flows into your own folder hierarchy. This is just one of a large set of features in our mapping, migration, and automation lifecycle products. I encourage you to watch our other Blueprint videos to see more features, or reach out to us directly at info@blueprintsys.com. Thank you for watching.